So right click to Windows icon and then click on device manager. Wait few seconds to open. And click on first display adapter, extract, select this, right click and update driver. Search update automatically, and so this is installed and then can close. So guys, if you are using graphic cards, so you have to download the latest driver of your graphic card, okay, and you can also update from these locations. Next, click on monitor, extract this, select this and right click to update and search, okay, and then close it, then close.